Hi, I'm Chris Kimball from the Ooni Experience team. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the Ooni Koda 12 pizza oven. We recommend wearing Ooni Pizza Oven gloves to keep your hands and wrists clean and protect them against rough and sharp edges on the inside and outside of your oven. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the Ooni Koda 12 pizza oven. Stay away from steel wool, scouring pads and abrasive dish sponges. Don't use water to clean the inside of your Ooni Koda 12 oven or it might develop rust spots. Also, never put water on a hot baking stone or it could crack. The inside of your oven doesn't have to be sparkling clean. Signs of use, including soot, colour changes and small marks are totally normal and a part of cooking with fire. Before you try anything else, run your Koda 12 at top temperatures for 30 minutes. This will burn off any excess food or flour remnants. Let your Koda 12 cool completely before cleaning. To be on the safe side, leave your oven alone for a couple of hours after you finish baking. Then wipe out the inside with a dry cloth. After that, just use your pizza oven brush to remove any excess debris. You can also flip your baking stone over. It's double-sided. Carefully take out the stone, turn it over and slide it back in. You'll be amazed at how much cleaner it looks. To keep gas flow consistent, clean the outside of your Ooni Koda 12 burner tube with a wire brush at least every 3 months. Try not to touch the piezo igniter because it's delicate. Every 10 cooks, give the thermocouple a wipe down with a dry paper towel to remove any soot buildup. Wipe down the outside of your Ooni Koda 12 with a damp lint-free cloth to remove any dirt or dust. Get rid of smudges and smear marks on the mouth of the oven and legs with soap and water. When you're done, use a clean cloth or soft towel to dry. And that's it. Cleaning your Koda 12 really couldn't be simpler. A quick brush out, a wipe with a damp cloth, and you're done. If you have any questions, get in touch with the support team at ooni.com. Happy pizza making.